Turning your engine 9J777, engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor is good. No damage, no broken. All the sockets in good condition. Same as well the starter here, no problem, no broken, no damage. Inside here, the alternator also good. Didn't see any damages. All the sockets in good conditions. On top from this side, everything is good. And coil plug here also good. No problem, no broken, no damage. Everything from this side is good. No damage. And down here the oil sum and the gearbox also good, no problem. And the engine is turning good.